will show you how to find and submit your weekly fitness forms and fitness quizzes. So if you go to your content, and from your content tab, you can select which week you want to access, right? So let's say you want week 3, scroll all the way down to the bottom of 3.05, go get it, and click on the assessments piece. There is the journal. So if you would like to do the journal, you can do the journal here. And you can either upload your file or you can record an audio or video file. And then here is your weekly fitness quiz. And again, it's just the 2 questions per week, which is, did you participate in at least 225 minutes of physical activity? And did you participate in at least 5 days of physical activity? So those are the only 2 questions to earn a 60% in this class. And like I said, if you want an A, B, or C in this class, you will be obligated to fill out the journals as well. Hopefully this helps.